Thank you all for being here this morning. Appreciate it very much. First of all, this is the kickoff of our annual tax sale, and this is something we do every year to, in effect, facilitate the sale of properties where the taxpayers have failed to pay their taxes in 5 years or more. This year, the Board of Supervisors approved about 495 properties to be precise, in early December that were set for auction. Since that time, a number have been redeemed. That is to say, a number of people have come forward and paid what they owe in terms of property taxes, late fees, and interest. And so we are now today down to about 370 properties, which is still a very large number, but these will all go to sale on March 19th at the San Diego Convention Center down on Harbor Drive. It's kind of intriguing that of the 370 properties, 107 are approved properties, which means they have some sort of building or structure on them. 182 are unimproved properties, and this year 81 timeshares will also be featured in the sale. Last year we didn't have any timeshares. This year though, 81 of them are out there and on the market. It's interesting too that the lowest minimum bid for the improved properties or those that are not timeshares is $1,500, and the lowest bid for any of the timeshares is $1,700. The most expensive opening bid we have is a house in La Jolla, which is in a choice location. The opening bid there will be $380,000. So it's a significant price, but it's a significant place, and it probably should garner substantially more than $380,000 when it goes to auction on the 19th of March. Registration is required to bid, so if any of your viewers wish to come forward and become bidders in our auction, they have to buy the packet that we have to offer them, including a book which basically talks about and has details of every property that will be in the sale this year. It will give them instructions on how to bid. It will give them instructions on buyer beware concepts, so that they will check out the properties before they bid on them. And that is a good thing. We want to also say that registration packets are available at all of our branch locations, including here, downtown San Diego, Kearny Mesa, San Marcos, Chula Vista, and El Cajon. But this is the only place where they can pay cash for the packet. The packet itself, again, is $75, but if they bring a check in to any of those branch locations, they can buy the packet for $75 and get registered as a bidder. You must be registered to bid. And then I think in closing, I'll just say that the owners of the delinquent properties have until 5 p.m. the day before the sale, March 16th, to pay up and to pay us what they owe, and to pay really the taxpayers of San Diego who've been holding up their end of the bargain since these people opted not to pay 5 years ago. So that's pretty much it. I'd be happy to take any questions that you might have.
Okay.